Direct Preference Optimization, DPO. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for Direct Preference Optimization, DPO, Beginner Level, Introduction. Direct Preference Optimization, DPO, is a modern AI training method used to teach models to generate better responses based on human preferences. Traditional AI training focuses on predicting the next word. But real-world AI needs to check, be helpful, be safe, follow user intent. DPO helps by learning from preferred responses, good answers, rejected responses, bad answers. Examples include improving chatbot responses, making AI safer, aligning AI with human values, training assistants like ChatGPT. This topic helps beginners understand how AI learns to choose better answers, not just generate text. What is Direct Preference Optimization, DPO? DPO is a training method where AI learns from pairs of responses. One preferred, better. One rejected, worse. In simple words, DPO equals teaching AI by showing which answers are better. Key idea: instead of training only on text, DPO uses human preferences, comparisons, ranking of responses. Example of preference data prompt equals what is AI? Preferred equals AI is the simulation of human intelligence. Rejected equals AI is something random. Example of simple comparison: if preferred equals exactly rejected, print preferred response is better. Simple DPO concept example, Python. Preferred score equals 10, rejected score equals 3. If preferred score, rejected score, print, model learns preferred response. How DPO works. Step 1, input prompt. Prompt equals explain AI. Step 2, generate multiple responses. Response A equals AI is technology. Response B equals AI is random. Step 3, human preference. Preferred equals response A. Step 4, compare responses. Response A, print, response A is better. Step 5, update model. Print, model updated based on preference. DPO versus traditional training feature. Traditional training DPO, data type text only, preference pairs, learning method, prediction comparison, goal accuracy, better responses, human feedback, limited directly used DPO versus RLHF, simple view. Feature, DPO, RLHF. Complexity, simpler, more complex. Training method, direct optimization, reinforcement learning. Stability, more stable, less stable. Implementation, easier, harder. Improves response quality. User input equals hello. Hi, how can I help? What? Print. Choosing better response. AI in content generation selects better outputs. Option 1 equals clear explanation. Option 2 equals confusing text. Print, selecting best output. AI in safety alignment. Ensures safe responses. Safe equals true. If safe, print, safe response selected. AI in personalization. Learns user preferences. User pref equals detailed. Print, generating detailed response. Full menu-based DPO example. Def compare responses. A equals input, enter response A. B equals input, enter response B. Preferred equals input, which is better A, B. If preferred equals A, print learning from A. Else, print learning from B. Def, generate. Prompt equals input, enter prompt. Print, generating responses. Def, update model. Print, updating model based on preferences. While true, print, N1, compare responses. Print 2, generate output. Print 3, update model. Print 4, exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, compare responses. Elif choice equals 2, generate. Elif choice equals 3, update model. Elif choice equals 4, break. Else, print invalid choice. Preference learning, model alignment, human-in-the-loop AI, response ranking, AI optimization, safe AI systems. Real-life analogy. DPO is like a teacher correcting answers. Shows good answer, shows bad answer, student learns which is better. Ways to improve a project. Collect real preference datasets, use human feedback, train models using DPO frameworks, compare with RLHF, improve evaluation metrics, use large datasets, add safety filters, optimize responses. Ignoring quality of preference data. Using biased feedback. Overfitting to preferences. Not validating results. Confusing DPO with basic training. Where it is used. Chatbots, virtual assistants, content generation, AI alignment systems, recommendation systems, search engines, customer support, AI research. Large systems may include language models, preference learning pipelines, feedback systems, AI alignment frameworks, simple definition. Direct preference optimization, DPO. A method of training AI models using preferred versus rejected responses to improve output quality. Final summary. DPO helps AI systems, learn from human preferences, generate better responses, improve safety and alignment, deliver high-quality outputs. It is a key technique in building modern, user-friendly AI systems.